Hey guys, Nick with Carpet Garage. We got the Roto-fab air intake and the Mamo throttle body. We're gonna do a before and after. So we're gonna go ahead and do a test drive, what it sounds like before, and then we're gonna go ahead and do a test drive what it sounds like after the install. And I do a couple of videos of the install. We've done the throttle body before in the C706, so it should be the same. And the air intake can be something new. My dad's gonna go ahead and help me on that part. So let's go ahead and take a test drive of what it's like before. All right guys, this is stock. So this first gear, the Camaro 1 again, this is all stock. It's a beast. Six-speed. Needs to be adjusted. So what did you take off?
This
Two. Okay.
This I took it off. Now I need to take this sensor out. It needs to come out.
Okay. Hey guys. All right. So here's the throttle body, the stock one, and it is stock. So just to make sure. So you got 4 bolts, one right here, right there, and then you have the sensor over here to take off. And once we do that, we'll get that off and then put the Mamo throttle body on there. All right, guys. Gonna show you the difference between the OEM L24 or L24 throttle body and the. So essentially, it's the same kind of, for me, plug and play. Kind of shows you a little bit of difference between the two. See the lips right here? How to have this edge, where this one is completely polished out, so you have more air flowing in. So it's pretty cool. Actually, I have this on the C706 also. Definitely works. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on the ZL1 as well. All right, here kind of shows them side by side without the plastic. So again, that's what I was talking about here. You have the lip on the OEM. Here's completely polished out. You can plug for your sensor. and it's still got the 4, so it just kind of goes in, and I'll give you a shot out there. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in, but looks good. All right, guys, we got the throttle body in. Now we just got to get the intake put in. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get it right now. Get it out of the box. All right, guys, that's what it looked. And Dad and I knocked it out, and now we're gonna see if there's a difference between. So we got our Roto-fab air intake, and then we have a Mamo throttle body. So got it knocked out. Again, 6-speed. It's at auto. And we're about to try it out now.